Are y'all tired of hearing that sound? You know, that one beeping sound? Or you don't hear it? Hold on. Wait for it. Wait for it. There it goes. Are you tired of hearing that? If you were heard, or what is it called? Noise blind to it? Don't worry. I got you. I got you. We're going to go ahead and get us one of these or whatever necessary batteries. And we're going to get us a stool. And we're going to go ahead and change that. Because that sound irks me. Here is the smoke detector. We're going to go ahead and twist this one off. Okay, y'all, we finna go ahead and open this up. I don't know why I keep saying we, because y'all was not with me in the field. First of all, this thing was giving me a hard time. Look at me struggling. I was so embarrassed. I feel like when you're ready to do stuff on camera, stuff just be embarrassing you. You're like, why would you? Look at me. Look at me doing a double take and shit. Like, no. I finally got it, though. A happy dance. Now change them damn smoke detectors, please.